In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Miro mind maps in Notion. To begin, open Miro in your browser and go to the board that contains your mind map. If you are starting from your dashboard, you can open a new board or select an existing one. The key is that you are inside the board view where your mind map is visible and ready to share. Once you are in the board, click directly on the board area to make sure Miro is active and you are focused on the content you want to export. This helps ensure the correct menu options appear and you are not accidentally working in another panel. Next, find and click the Export option. In Miro, export is typically located in the board's sharing or presentation controls, depending on your layout and screen size. When you click Export, you will see different ways to output or share your board content. For bringing a mind map into Notion, you will want the option that lets you embed the board rather than downloading a file. From the Export options, click Embed. This is the setting that generates an embed link or embed code, which Notion can use to display your Miro mind map right inside a Notion page. Take a moment here to confirm you are choosing embed and not an image or PDF export, since those will not stay interactive in Notion. Now switch over to Notion and open the page where you want your Miro mind map to appear. Click into the page and highlight the spot where you want the embed to go. This is simply placing your cursor in the right location, so the embed block is inserted exactly where you want it. With that location selected, type the word highlight. As you type, Notion will begin showing matching block options. This is a quick way to pull up the embed option without digging through menus. When the option appears, click Embed Miro. Notion will then create a Miro embed block where you can paste the embed link or code you copied from Miro. After you add it, your mind map will load directly inside your Notion page, making it easy to view and reference alongside your notes and tasks. And that is all there is to it.